Content authors need a simple way to add forms on their website. One option is to have the development team build something custom. Another would be to use a third-party form builder. Those other solutions require forms to be created on their sites and managed on their platform, then integrated into another CMS. The data is stored in their environment, and most are subscription-based that require contracts and renewals. In the end, they might not even work on your DX portal website. Asponte developed a powerful form builder to solve this problem. XDT Forms Lite allows content authors to build and customize dynamic forms fully integrated in a DX environment, built to seamlessly integrate with the HCL Digital Experience platform. Users can build web forms, online surveys, questionnaires, and polls, in addition to easy e-commerce and secure data collection websites using our no-code drag-and-drop form builder. Perfect for enterprise portals plus healthcare, manufacturing, and financial services websites. XDT forms are responsive and include built-in field validations. Information captured in forms can be emailed to multiple recipients. Data is stored as content that can be accessed and shared within the CMS. XDT Forms Lite deploys as an asset in HCL DX with all workflow and security features from the platform. Included are a ton of standard features like Google Map integrations, Smart Calendar, Skip Logic, and many more, all for an affordable one-time purchase and no annual renewals or subscriptions. For more information about XDT Forms Lite, visit asponte.com.